Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to copy Telegram channel link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. On Telegram you need to open up the channel to which you want to copy the link. Let it be that one. That's actually not my channel. And once you open a channel, all you have to do is right here at the very top hit at that channel's name, and right there you can easily find share link. And that's actually the link to that Telegram channel. Anyone can use it to join to that channel, and all you have to do to copy that link is just hit on that, and from here you can select copy link to copy that link to the clipboard. After that you can go to any messenger, let it be WhatsApp for example. I can open up right here some conversation, let it be conversation with myself. Here I can double tap a text field and just hit on paste to paste the link that I have just copied. Now I can hit a send button to send that Telegram link to that conversation. And also right here I can hit at that QR code icon. To show up the QR code, I can select its design, let it be that one. There are a lot of different others. I can hit right now at share QR code, and for example I can now scroll down for a bit and I can save that image to my photos. Now I can open up photos where at albums, at recents, I can easily find that image, and now I can share that image in the same way. So I can open up WhatsApp, hit at plus sign, hit at photo and video library, and I can just pick that image and hit on send. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.